Hello, this is my demonstration for homework 3. So first off we have task 1A. As you can see, we've got our 3 checkerboards and they are all rotated at different angles and aligned, their X and Y coordinates from where they start are in different places. So if we move on, task 1B, we can see this checkerboard is being rotated around its top left corner, and the speed can be adjusted within the code and also the positioning of this. If we move on to task 1C, here's an example of how the coordinate of rotation can be adjusted in the code. I've moved it to the center of the checkerboard and now it is rotating around that. So next up we have task 2A, which is the circle-to-circle collision. And so here are a bunch of circles and they're colliding against the barriers and with each other. And the reason that some of them collide and some of them just drift through each other is because you can select whether or not you want a particular circle to be able to collide using a Boolean value. So that's why some of them just go through each other, because I've selected them to not have collision on. So now task 2B is the rectangle to circle collision, and it's pretty similar to the last one. It's just there are some rectangles now, and once again the reason that some of them just slide past each other is because the collision is turned off. And I did not complete task 3 in time, so that's the end of the demonstration. Thanks for watching.